We shouldn't define omnipotence in terms of being able to do everything that's in accord with your nature. That leads to real problems that is common in the literature. Someone who is essentially able to only scratch his left ear would come out as omnipotent on that definition because even though he can only do one thing, it's essentially all he can do. Sometimes he's called Mr. McEar. So the way we've defined omnipotence is not in terms of the ability to do everything that is in accord with one's nature. Rather, omnipotence is defined in terms of the degree of one's power, that there is no state of affairs that one can fail to actualize due to a lack of power. And that would be the case, I think, with these other limited beings, that they lack power to do certain things. And then the range of God's power will be determined by things that are consistent with his nature. But that's the range of things that he can do. It isn't related to the degree of his power.